Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure you have Map 3D or Civil 3D and the GIS source files ready. This matters because those apps handle spatial attributes and CRS. First, set your drawing units and pick the target coordinate system. Use an EPS code to avoid guesswork. Next, open the map workspace and use the Data Connect or Map Import tool to point to your shapefile, GeoJSON, or GeoDatabase. Once done, preview the dataset so you can confirm layers, attributes, and extents before importing. Now you connect to the data source and perform the actual read. Choose FDO data source for geodatabases or map import for flat files, then preview each layer to inspect attributes and geometry types. If the source lacks CRS, assign it, don't guess. Select the proper datum and any datum transformation so coordinates line up. After that, map GIS layers to DWG layers, set drawing scale and symbology, and choose whether to import attribute tables as block attributes or attach as finish by cleaning and validating geometry. Remove duplicates, fix topology, and simplify overly detailed features so the DWG remains performant. Then bake symbology to native AutoCAD objects or export a clean DWG. Save a copy that preserves attribute links or embed attributes as block properties. Finally, verify attribute tables and write down the CRS and any transformations used. If things are shifted or missing, check for CRS mismatch first. Reassign the correct source CRS and reapply the transform, then re-import.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.